up, YouTube? It's Dimitri back here with, now we're on part 3 of the Yamaha Blaster build. We are going out to take this thing on the trails. We're gonna rip around, we're gonna have a blast. This thing is truly a fast little quad. I'm so stoked I built it up and got it running good. And yeah, we're just gonna have a blast. I'm here with my buddy Bernie, he's behind the camera. And we're just gonna go out and have a good time in the snow. So guys, stay tuned for this video. This one's gonna be sick. So it is absolutely freezing out here. It's got to be like 25 degrees maybe, which isn't the coldest, but it definitely isn't warm. Oh my gosh, that was all ice. That was mad funny. We gotta come in, we gotta ride the corner here. I should probably mention that I don't have any brakes. The front brakes hardly work, and the rear brake is just non-existent. So my shifter came loose, and I literally just can't shift, so we gotta go back. Stay in second gear, but, oh man, this is gonna be kind of difficult. And it's kind of cold out here too, but we're doing all right. I thought I was going over. You might be able to see it here, but my whole gas tank literally fell off while going over some bumps there, but there we go, we're good. I gotta get my seat back in. And just so that you guys know, I can't really shift. My shifter is stripped out here. So Burns is gonna try and transfer from this jump into this landing. Let's see if he can get it. I'm pretty confident he's got it. Ooh. How'd that Buddy, I think you had to go a little faster than that. How are you feeling? That sounds like a really hard landing. Keep in mind, guys, it's literally like 19 degrees outside. Okay. You got it. Redemption right here. You can't let it go. Dude, third gear, wide open. Come on, buddy. You got this, bud. Just a little faster. Let's go, Burns. You got it. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. He could have gone a little further, but he landed right about here. That was dope. That was pretty good. That was really good. Yeah, buddy. How'd that feel? That looked good.
That was good. That was good.
All right, guys, so it is the end of the day of a long day of riding. We were probably out for like 4 or 5 hours. We didn't film everything we wanted to. Our cameras died early because of the cold and stuff, but we got out there, we filmed some stuff. You guys got to see the Blaster rip, and honestly, I absolutely loved it. It was a 10 out of 10 for me. There's a few things that still need to be adjusted on the quad. The shift lever's broken, so I got to fix that. All day I was having trouble shifting, so don't beat me up in the comments about you need to shift your quad, you need to shift your quad. The shift lever was literally broken. I was trying my best. I know how to shift. But other than that, guys, the quad was awesome. I had a blast, and Burns had fun out here on his KLX 110. What'd you think of today?
Today was super fun, Dimitri. Watching you rip around on this thing was awesome. Had a blast. When you guys see the video, I'm sure you'll get a few laughs too. Ripping around on the KLX 110 is super fun, little cruise bike, good for filming and stuff like that. Just ultimately good time, 10 out of 10, you know, for sure. It was a good day.
Yeah, and you also own a bigger bike, right?
I do. I own a 2002 KX 250 two-stroke, so if y'all stay tuned and subscribe, you'll be able to see that come these warmer months.
Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Burns and I had a blast filming it for you guys.
Super fun.
And we're gonna go edit this right now. It's been a long day, and till next time, guys, peace out.
Peace out.